Here we go. Good morning. Welcome to my channel Dream Big 2. This is day 118. Oh, I was so tired yesterday. You wouldn't believe it. Hungry and tired. Got good sleep. I'm ready for about 34 miles. I wish it'd be shorter. But I think I can do it. So let's do it. Yeah, so this is about mile 3. This is incredible. Like the view. It's like I can see so far. So yeah, this is pretty amazing. You could stop here and really. Why it stopped. Yeah, so this is where I came from. Only about 7 miles, so it's a long ways to go, all the way straight. And look how far you can see. So let's go. I think I'm at mile 12 and I cannot run. This wind is so difficult, so difficult. If I can make it through Kansas, I can make it through anywhere. This is really hard. From Dorado. Yeah, just walking straight. Like for 6 hours paddling the wind, mentally very challenging. But yeah, there will be many more things. I just have to find good strategies, and I'm learning. But yeah, it's mentally very challenging, I would say. I really hate the noise, almost the worst. So I guess this is just outside of Dorado. I'm now gonna go take a right here. Not here, but up there somewhere. And I go about a mile or so. Oh, this is nice. I'm about a mile away. So. Yeah, I'm gonna go to Marcella, and thank you, Marcella, already for giving me a bag tonight. I think I will sleep so good tonight. And I already went to the store. I have all supplies for tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, this is hot here. Morning, hello to my channel Dream Big 2. This is day 119. We're going from El Dorado to Newton. 40 miles, a lot of wind. We're just gonna do it. So it's about mile 12. I'm walking for this mile. It's a very slight incline, but with the wind together, it has pretty big impact on your feet when you have to push off the floor or off the ground so much, like with every step for so long, and pushing the buggy. So I think when I get to that horizon, start running again, and then I think I'm about 40 miles in, and I will take a left and run for 26 miles westwards. I think the wind is coming from the north today, so see how that goes, running westwards. And yeah, I think it's cold, much colder than yesterday, ice cold hands, but I think I have a good strategy for today. So far anyways, we'll see. Oh yeah, it was all uphill so far. Struggling man has got to move. Woo! Man. I need to drink. So here we go. What is it? Day 119. Yes, I'm now on the road that goes all the way to Newton. It's ice cold today. After this. And yeah, the wind too. So I'm just gonna run. I don't really want to talk. So Kansas, 20 miles to go. We can do it. Cows are again running with me, but now they're running away. It's funny. Some quiet little place in Kansas. 14 miles to go. I don't know if you also see like how long this road is, but it's beautiful here. Yeah, it's beautiful. Welcome to Harvey County is zoned. So if we want to reach the sheriff, we call 911, I guess. Whew. About 3 miles away. That's still quite alright. Slow but okay. And yeah, it's gonna be nice meeting some people again tonight. And, yeah, Kansas, you're certainly an interesting state for me. City County Airport. Maybe one day I'm gonna land here. Who knows? Welcome to my channel, Dream Big 2. Woo! It is cold, it is raining, and it's gonna be a relatively short run, so just gonna do it. Yesterday I didn't take a video. Day 120 was yesterday. It was just a running day. Today probably 2 after this video. I think it is, let me see, 6:41 it is, and Dawn and Kathy have driven me back to Hutchinson, so I'm now going to start running to Lyons. I'm going to first go to Highway 14 and then all the way to Lyons, and I think then I'll check into a motel and dry out and rest and be ready for day 122. Well, that is the plan, and I hope you're going to be with me. It's going to be a cold, maybe a difficult one, you could say, but just going to try to make it fun and enjoy the refreshing rain. They have all been waiting for rain, so maybe that's how I should look at it too. So yeah, the beauty of rain. Let's go and enjoy it. And I have my headlamp on, so people will actually see me on the road, but the daylight is gonna come out as well pretty soon here. So yeah, thanks very much for being with me, and let's go to Lyons, Kansas. So here I am going through Hutchinson. I'm going slow and steady. And I had a wonderful breakfast. So yeah, you guys, feeling good this morning. So about 2.5 miles run. It's only light rain now. Kind of stoked, but feels good. I think we're gonna reach Highway 14 in about half a mile, and I don't know what the conditions are, but the rain is not as bad as I thought, but it might pick up a bit later, but we'll see. Whatever is, huh? And we're just gonna have a nice day. Yeah, not many people out here. Easter Sunday morning. So, yeah, nice and quiet. Here I am after 3 some miles on Highway 14, all by myself. Not one car so far, so it's kind of cool, and just gonna try to run through, keep warm, even though I'm really wet. So yeah, that's the plan. So I think we're about 7 miles in. I think it has almost stopped raining. It's cold, but the wind is not too bad. Definitely feel it. But yeah, I think we can do it. Just keep on moving. Ice cold. So first stop. Wearing my gloves, they're probably gonna be wet pretty soon, but anyways, let's go. Woo! So halfway through, 16 miles. Quite nice, light rain. Beautiful birds, formations. I don't think you can see it. because of me. So funny and they run around. Yeah, it's ice cold. I'm happy when I arrive. But yeah, otherwise going good. So about 2 miles away. My hands are so cold I can hardly control them. My feet are also so cold and very slow, and I don't know why. But my body moves so slowly against the wind. So hard rain. But yeah, it's really the cold that kind of paralyzes my body right now. But yeah, it's only 2 miles and I'm happy. I don't know if I can turn off the camera now. I will try. Day 121 it is, and I have arrived in Lyons. Lyons it is, Lyons, Kansas, after an ice cold day of running on Highway 14. I'm looking very much forward to warming up. I'm doing fine. Thanks very much for checking in, and I hope you are fine as well. I will see you tomorrow. I think it's gonna be a bit warmer. Oh wow, that was a good one. Cannot believe it. It is day 122. I'm in Lyons, Kansas, and I'm gonna go to Great Bend. Great Bend is where I'm headed. I guess she's talking here. Yeah, 32 miles, and supposedly a really warm day after yesterday, so still cool this morning, but nothing like yesterday when I arrived here. So yeah, just gonna take it easy. I think it's Highway 54 maybe. So yeah, let's see what this highway is all about. And yeah, I think about halfway through Kansas, so doing well. So mile 8, pretty flat, somewhat windy, but yeah, it's nice, still cool. Well, about 10 miles and 20 to go. Oh, it's a nice day. Oh, still tired from yesterday. I think I was a bit tense when it was so cold. But yeah, try to be loose. So yeah, let's go. So after about 19 miles, this is Ellenwood Gateway to Cheyenne Bottoms. Whatever that is. And pretty industrial farming town. To imagine to run without wind. Oh, but yeah, 26 miles. About 5 some to go. And I think the injury risk is just so much higher if you kind of fight against the wind. So I'm just going slow, but it just feels so ridiculous. Well, here we are in Great Bend after more than 30 miles. I think in about 0.7 miles or so, my hotel should be on the right. much forward to have a run without wind at some point again. And tired, thirsty, I want to sit down. Well, I guess this is it. Oh, look at that. Here we go. Oh. So, I'm done for today. Yeah, it is, I don't know. I think yesterday was a bit difficult day. Then today, I don't know. I was a bit tired too. But anyways, tomorrow is Tuesday and we're going to Ness City. So today was day 122 and yeah, it's okay. So I got all my, I think it's, I don't know what time, 3 o'clock. And yeah, I guess I have a room. I already bought some apples and water and stuff for tonight. So I can relax. I love that. Well, yeah, thanks very much for checking in, and I guess we'll see you tomorrow for day 123. Kansas is quite long, but we'll just go day by day, crossing that state. And yeah, if you're interested in checking out any of my other videos, please do so. They're up in the corners. And yeah, don't forget to dream big too, my friends. This is what it's all about, and I'm now gonna get out of my shoes. Yes! Bye-bye. Here we go. Welcome to my channel, Dream Big 2. This is day 123. And I'm gonna go from the Great Bend to La Crosse. I don't know. I wish I'd only have to go to Rush Center, but apparently there's no place to stay and I don't necessarily want to camp. So I'm gonna go about 5 miles up to La Crosse, and tomorrow all the way down again. And yeah, yesterday I thought I'm gonna go to Ness City, but that's of course in 2 steps, 60 miles. I'm not gonna do right now, maybe someday. So yeah, it's a beautiful day. I think the last one for this week that is really so pretty, so let's enjoy it. So this is mile 7, pretty nice. Feeling good. Well, this is certainly a lovely day, and yeah, feels good. Oh yeah. So 7 miles. About 28 to go. So this is about mile 15. I guess this is now Rush County. Yeah, Kansas is nice. Not much wind, nice weather. I'm enjoying it. Pretty amazing environment. incredible landscape to run through. Wow. Yeah, this is why I'm out here, I think. Never thought I would be able to run through Kansas. I guess has never been a dream, like specifically, but that's kind of cool, gotta say. Yeah, I'm very, very lucky to do that. Coming into Rush Center, and I think there's a street to the right over there going to La Crosse, so I will see what's gonna happen in the Rush Center. Whew. It's hot, it's nice, feels good. Well, my friends, I'm in La Crosse. Yoo-hoo! Is this how I do it? No. Ah. Thank you very much. You're welcome. A very good morning, welcome to my channel Dream Big 2. This is day 124 and it is before 5 o'clock. I'm gonna go over to the gas station and someone will drive me back from La Crosse to Rush Center, and yeah, it does not look like a storm, but you never know. And I'm gonna be early, I hope, in Ness City, about 32 miles to run, so I can do it. Let's do it. Well, my lovely people, 5:18 and I am ready. I kind of like these early starts. I've kind of neglected them, but yeah, I'm ready for Ness City. I'm back in Rush Center, going to Ness City. Yeah, let me look up. I think it's 32 miles, 33 I go anyways. And so yeah, let us see what we encounter, how much rain, but maybe there is none. So I'm 5 miles in. Down the road there's a lot of lightning. So I think it's pretty far away, but I have no clue of lightning. So yeah, 28 to go. Let's do it. So it's before 7 o'clock. We're in Tacoma. 7 miles run. And yeah, there's a lot of lightning going on here. And yeah, I think you can see it now. So yeah, I don't know, like where I'm gonna run through. Probably underneath it. But I'm happy. I only have less than 26 miles to go today, so hasn't rained so far, and when I get wet I can do it for 26 miles and can guess. I don't know. Horse is a bit scary. But it's kind of cool too. Well, maybe not too cool. I would rather not have it. But now it's that way, so gotta face it. Let's go to Ness City. Wow, you're beautiful. Well, I still wonder. So I hear thunder. I see the lightning coming down. I see the road ahead of me. Is it gonna rain on me? I think so. The sun is going up behind me. I'd love to take a picture, but then again, I just want to go. Next time when I'm with the car, I'll take all the pictures that I didn't take when I'm running. Well, I have to put on my sunglasses, because there's so many mosquitoes that fly in my eyes. And can you see that rainbow too? I think I'm gonna be wet pretty soon. Mile 10. Oy, oy, oy. So here we go, 13 miles. Started to rain. Not heavy just now, but I tried to find a roof and got dressed. Well, 13 miles in, 20 to go. Apparently, like if I go over there, it's not actually raining, so I think I will check that out. But yeah, I think I'm gonna be a bit wet until I get there, next 10 miles or so. But eventually, hopefully, the sun will shine again. It looks pretty dark over here. Well, luckily I gotta head into this direction, or better, gotta take a ride over here. And I think I'm really lucky that I've started so early. So yeah, I was in a good running mode. Let's get back into it. Whee! Yeah, it's always good to wear a rain jacket, because you never know with this kind of weather. All right, let's go. Uh-oh. So I go this direction. I think I am lucky. I have the worst behind me. Let's go. So after 15 miles, I think I'm really lucky going here in Ness County. And I think I left the worst behind me. Yee-hee! Oh, I'm glad I got up at 4. Ah, now it feels good. Didn't at that time. So yeah, it's beautiful out here. Oh, pretty nice. I think I'm about 21 miles in. 11, 12 to go. So this is Basin. And yeah, I might get some little walk. Happy with the progress. It's 9:30. Really early. That's good.
13 miles to go. Just only got wet a little bit so far. Let us see what the last 2.5 hours are like. Ness City, we're coming.
So mile 24, it rains lightly, but it thunders more so, rolling thunder, and I think it's about 6 miles to town and then 2 miles to where I stay, so I feel pretty safe right now. It's good. And it's quite a nice run, I gotta say. Through the weather tunnel of Kansas. It's a bit cool, but yeah, it's pretty nice here. Look at that. So yeah, it's about 4.2 miles to go, and we can do it. I think we're gonna stop at a bakery first, and I think I can only check in at 2, and now it's about, I think, 12 or so. Let's do it. We're almost in Ness City, and I see blue sky. I love it. So yeah, really glad I left so early. I think it was perfect timing for today, even though it was pitch dark for the first maybe hour, 1.5. But yeah, it worked out well. So now a little bit of an uphill, and then we're in the city. Let's go and check it out. You know what? It's fantastic. 1.2 miles to go. My little home is ready apparently. I can go right away, and yeah, I bought some stuff in the Dollar General, water and some food. This is cool. Oh, I'm so glad that I hit that, or you know, that I missed the big rain. I was a bit afraid for a while, but I'm sure you could hear that. So let's go. Well, here we are. I think this is Ness City. Not much to it, but still, there's some people living here. Maybe I should go to the library. It's always my favorite place. Yeah. Almost there. This is so nice. I am so happy. Oh, look at that. Probably gonna be a thunderstorm later, but I am already here. Oh, let's go. that was a nice one. I think I see it. Oh, life is good, life is good, life is good. Oh, there we go, 32.9 miles. Brandon Jean's guest house. Woo! I love it. Well, I don't know yet how to check in, so let me figure that out. Lovely. I got the code. Oh, and it's always difficult, but we can do it. Oh, look at that. Oh, here. Oh, this is the wheel. Here we go. All right. Inside. Oh, look at that. It's perfect. It's more than I ever need, but oh, Ness City. Thank you. So yeah, I'm gonna make myself home, and maybe I'll talk to you later. So I'm here now, and I think that might be a good opportunity to do my YouTube videos, if I can. No pressure, and yeah, I guess I have good Wi-Fi and enough time, so might as well do that. Yeah, it's been a wonderful day, and so I looked up tomorrow. I guess tomorrow it's gonna rain, but you know, you gotta have these days where it's raining all day long, and yeah, I think I can do it. And yeah, 30 other miles to another place, and yeah, this is nice for now, and I'm happy to be here. Yeah, gonna shower, do some work, eat, and yeah, sleep, and tackle another day tomorrow. So guess day 124 it is today, and yeah, it was a beautiful one, and I liked timing, and I'm glad I'm here. So yeah, thanks very much for being with me. Check out my other videos if you like, there in the corners, and yeah, just let's go. I think I'm doing a good job going through Kansas. Dream big to my friends, and I'll see you tomorrow.